Jay, dito nak. Jay, dito nak.
So, as a Kona finisher, Kona finisher ka na, airline pilot ka pa, pamilyado ka pa, family man ka pa. I guess what everybody wants to know here, how do you find time? Kasi usually people say, I don't have time, that's why I'm not racing anymore, I don't have time to train. What do you do? Can you share with us your secret in balancing your time?
Yes, actually,
Entrance. Entrance. Jay, dito.
so that was we were not confident enough, so I had a lot of time.
Jay, let's go.
And then, you can say na I'm coming back to triathlon. And one of the things na napansin ko nun, I didn't have enough time when I mean, training was kind of heavy, then it was but now I am
Let's go.